Good morning, students. Class 7th Science, and today's our topic: why is rainwater always slightly acidic? Rainwater is always slightly acidic because carbon dioxide from the air dissolves in water and forms mild carbonic acid. It is the weak acid. Even weak acid are corrosive. The rainwater, being slightly acidic, permanently damages sculptures in the long run. Many of our historical monuments have been damaged because of exposure of rain for many years. Monument must be protected from rain. Neutralization. You the base react with acid to produce salt and water. This process is called neutralization. In neutralization reaction, the acid loses its acidity and base its alkalinity. As a result, neutral solution is obtained. Neutralization reactions are very useful. Many industrial chemical processes involve neutralization reactions. Neutralization reactions are also used in treat industrial liquid waste that is acidic or basic in nature. These reactions are also extremely useful in changing acidic or basic soil to neutral soil. Plants do not grow in highly acidic or basic soil. Uses of neutralization reaction in digestion. In human stomach secrete HCl or hydrochloric acid, which helps in the digestion of food. At time, this acid accumulate in the stomach and the person develops severe stomach ache. The pain subsides if the person takes tablets that contain base such as aluminum hydroxide and magnesium hydroxide. These tablets neutralize the acid present in the stomach and the pain subside. Insect bites. A bees or wasp sting is painful. It contains formic acid. Stings contain formic acids. Bees and wasps stings therefore should be treated a dilute ammonia solution or calamine solution, or use a bathing soap, or use a calcium hydroxide or sal lime. These solutions contain zinc carbonate, which is a base. Next topic: protecting teeth. A bacteria present in mouth feed in sugar particles and produce acid which can damage teeth. One of the most common application of neutralization of acids is the toothpaste. Toothpaste contain an alkali that neutralize the weak acid produced by bacteria and prevent tooth damages. Soil treatment. Most plants grow well in neutral soil. If the soil is acidic or too alkaline, it is not suitable for plant growth. Chemicals are added to make a soil neutral. If the soil is acidic, it is used treated with base such as quicklime, calcium hydroxide Ca, calcium oxide CaO, or salt lime, calcium hydroxide CaOH का whole twice. If the soil is basic, it is treated with organic manure. Organic manure releases acids which neutralize the basic nature of soil. Factory wastes. Factory wastage. Several industries produce acids or base. If released on land, the acid would be pollute soil kills soil organisms and plants. It released in water bodies. The acids should be pollute water and harm the aquatic plant and animals. To reduce the ill effects of acids, the acid base should be neutralized before it is released into the environment. This chapter is finished. Thank you, student. And you have seen the remember topic here. Salt, it is neutral and natural and man-made. Acid, it's neutral and basic. And you have seen neutralization. Acid plus base gives out salt and water. Bases, sodium hydroxide, calcium oxide, water soluble alkaline. It bitter taste, contain oxygen or oxygen, and hydrogen. Some dissolves in water, some are corrosive. Red litmus turn blue. Acids water soluble, sour taste, have hydrogen, dissolve in water, corrosive. Blue litmus turn red. And acids are strong acids and weak acids. Strong acid H2SO4, sulfuric acid, nitric acid HNO3, acetic acid or weak acid CH3COOH, and citric acid. Citric acid present in citrus fruit like lemon, oranges, and acetic acid which are present in sugarcane contain is acetic acid or vinegar. Acetic acid are present in vinegar. Thank you, student.